Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, the author of Spoken English Corner, your friend and tutor. While today's lesson is all about daily spoken English, where you will learn how a person can express his or her situation that he is going to be busy and refuse the invitation of someone's. What are you waiting for? Let's dive into the practical.
Hi Mike, come in. Thanks Bob, I can't stay for long. I'm going to play basketball. Do you want to come? Thanks Mike, but not this morning. I'm going to be busy today. Really? What are you going to do? I'm going to paint my room. Paint your room? Hey, that's a lot of work. Yeah, it is. But you know what? I enjoy it. What color are you going to paint it? White. White? That isn't very practical. No, it isn't. But I like white. It's nice and bright. How often do you paint your room? Once, sometime twice a year. Twice a year? You sure like to paint? Yeah, I do. Is Ted going to play basketball too? No, he is going to running this morning. Well, I have to go now. See you at school Monday. No, look at those clouds. It's going to rain again. That means no basketball. Well, you can stay and help me paint my room then. That's an idea, but I think I should go home and clean my own room. It's a mess. See you later, Bob. Thanks for stopping by, Mike.